So I'm gonna do the main one. They're shorter ones, so it's gonna be right dot right here. And let me move this so you know that how much I just need. I just don't need a lot, just just a little bit right here for both sides. And then you're gonna draw like a little, look like a half C or the croissants. And then you're gonna go into the side and draw along with that. It was drawing a rose. Keisha, thank you, love. Oh my God, Keisha, me too. Thank you, Mika. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a tip and trick, Keisha, and then for all of you who is, I'm swear with you, okay? I'm swear with you, I'm so terrible at this. It take me to learn, but not that long. So only you need just pay a little bit attention how I'm doing this. If you want your painting to be a little bit thicker, you press your brush a little bit, and then you lift it up. So you press it down and release it. So then it draws thicker and thinner. They'll give a little bit pressures on it. Right here, you see that my brush, and then you release it. Try that, Keisha. You will do it because it take me a long time. Well, not a long time because I'm not like a patient person. And you know me, I'm not good at drawing. I'm not lying to you. And I just get to do this. And that's how I get it down. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna lie. So, okay, so this now looks good because it's shorter nails. So if you see me do a longer, I'm gonna keep going with the rose. But because this one's shorter, so I'm gonna save this spot for the next smaller rose. And Keisha, try it. I think you can get it really fast. But with the precision brush, this is so freaking stunning because it's a whole enough amount of the gel painting. It doesn't like dripping because it's really thick, not too thick. It's perfect consistency. So then when we drawing it, you don't, it's really cool though. We don't have to like dip it in the pot all the time, but then we can able to keep it like the same consistency of the gel, and you can keep drawing it. Thank you, Eric, Mika. Thank you. You like it, Mika? It's just like wherever you close your petals and you're gonna start at that spot. Hopefully I get make sense, maybe not. Okay, let me do it again on this one. So I'm gonna do this one right here. And so give it one dot right there first. And now don't get a lot, just get pretty much off all of your gel off from your brush, pretty much. And then you're gonna draw as a C, look like a C shape, or the crescent or half moon or whatever you feel like you're familiar with. And then you're gonna draw that. And you're gonna draw the second layer. The same thing with this. You can get this perfect easily with this. So you're gonna get in here in the middle and then release that. Give a little bit pressure and then release your brush. I promise if you do this, it's gonna look so simple and cool. And then you're gonna draw I'm not good at that at all, but I can share with you that I'm sorry, it's not gonna be that difficult. All right, so I think I got that really. Let me draw little leaves right there. And just get a little bit leaf. We're gonna do some pigment on this. Okay. To make the leaf a little bit softer look. All right. Cool. Just that simple? Because we're gonna do some crystal along with this. So, all right, so if you're happy with this, you don't wanna fix anything, we're gonna kill this for 15 seconds. All right, 15 seconds. And I'm gonna get the pigments right here. Wanna do with summer pigments on this one. Let's do the centers with this one first. Yuri, thank you so much. Hey, Mary Nails, how are you? Thank you, Mika. So this, because this nail is so small, so we're gonna do this right here. And then the next one. They'll go around with that. We got the pink one. And you just go around. If you don't want to do one color, you can do two colors, or you can do just one color. I'm just gonna do this so it won't falling into my contaminate with my pot of the pigment. All right, so I'm now gonna rub it in. Rub it in. To make sure if you're missing any spot, you just rub it in to make sure you get it all. And then I am going to use my green for my leaf.
You got 30 seconds.
I got 30 seconds on Instagram. I will definitely gonna be right back.
All right, be right
And
back.
then I'll dust this off first, and then I will do the crystal placement for all of you. Please be back with me, Instagram. Dust this off. And then you can put the condensed glue gels. Give me 1 second to wait for just a second for Instagram to be back. Here's a condensed glue gel. Really thick density. Hey, welcome back Instagram. Thank you so much for your patience and continue with our stream. I'm just applying the condensed glue gel. You might feeling like really thick density, which is absolutely normal. That's how it's supposed to. And that's all. I just need really thin coats. It's not much. If you do, unless you're doing like a 3D crystals and you want a little bit more, but with the flat back, you can just have a good, you don't want to be too thick, you don't want to be too thin. Too thick is gonna flooded your crystal, but too thin is not gonna hold your crystal in one place. So I'm floating the top coat on the top of condensed glue gel. I'm using a technique floating, so then that way you don't drag your condensed glue gel away and it makes the surface of the nails really lumpy, or it doesn't look good at all. So I am going to add some crystals on this one. Same thing, I'm gonna play with my neon here. It's so adorable. You can't go with or without crystals. I think it looks adorable either way to me. All right, so I'm just add few of them because this is, remember that we're doing short nails today. Tomorrow we do a long nails, and I hope you're really enjoying it because it's for all of you who have short nail clients, or even like for you doing your own nails or whatever, that as you are a nail technician and doing short nails. I'm going to short nails. What, Debbie, are you back here? Hey Debbie, do you want to see me doing my nails, like watch me work doing my own nails? I will save it on Monday for us, so then we can do it together. Because I'm ready for short nails. Every few months, I will get my nails short, but I still want to get nice full crystal on it. So because that's how I like advertising with clients. So when they come in, they get to see my nails. That's how it motivate them to get crystals and beautiful designs on. This will help so much for the business when you are like not sure how you can able to introduce the clients with the new services. Like the clients like you a lot, we hear a lot of like when we get the class trainings, like we don't know how to approaching the clients, how to share with them that we have a new products in, or the crystal in, you gotta wear it on the nails, because they will be motivated by seeing you wearing it, and they will like, oh, okay, I'm gonna try it. But you don't want to wear on your nails, and your nails is like a no nails in that. I know it's hard because sometimes all of us working, and then we have family, we have kids, get short nails. Short nails will go a long way as well. Clients see your short nails, and we can do something vision like that in a long nail. So I can do a short nails on Monday for all of us. Fun to see that playing with. All right, so I think I'm good. I try not to cover whole entire the nails because you know me, I will. But look at that. Ta-da, here you go. All right, so I'm going to cure this one for 60 seconds, and then we're gonna do precision glue on all of them. Before that, you make sure you get a piece of paper. Do not use your fingers, your raw hand.